Hey, welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Miss V of Make a Mark Studios. I'm an artist and art teacher, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this radially balanced mandala. We're going to be using a tool that you don't really think of as an art tool very often, a bingo dauber. We're going to be talking a lot about how to keep everything balanced around a center point, known as radial balance. Let's get started.
The first thing to do is gather your materials. You're going to need the mandala template found at the link below, bingo daubers, a white piece of paper, and a Sharpie. The first thing I'm going to do is lay my white piece of paper over my mandala template. This is going to help me just to keep everything balanced. Using my bingo daubers, I'm going to follow my template to try to keep everything nicely balanced. Explore overlapping colors to make beautiful mixed tones, and really strive for keeping everything nicely balanced. With the bingo daubers, you want to push down and hold just for a little second, just to make sure that you get that nice round circular mark. I do a little wiggle back and forth too when I press it down. This just ensures that the mark is really nice. You can really explore this mandala going all the way to the edge of the paper if you'd like. Once you've created all of your circular dots and you've filled it up with a lot of color, you can let it dry for a bit, and then you can go in with a Sharpie marker, if you'd like, on top to create some really beautiful mandala marks. Follow your guidelines. Feel free to use a pencil to sketch it out before you go in with your Sharpie. A mandala is basically a bunch of super simple marks that anyone can draw, like lines and shapes, just repeated over and over again, so that the end product looks really complex, intricate, and complicated. Feel free to explore different weights of your Sharpie to create a variety of thick and thin lines to add some visual interest, and you can even explore different colored Sharpies. To add a little extra contrast, you can explore filling in some areas thicker so that you have that dark against your colorful background. I hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more videos from Make a Mark Studios, helping you to make your mark through art.